Hey guys, it's Adam here. This is my 399 that I have for sale on eBay. I wanted to do a video to kind of give you some more views of the unit. Photos can be sometimes hard to get all the angles correctly, but it is a gorgeous piece. It is in 100% great condition electronically, and it sounds wonderful. Let me get the faceplate here for you guys. Like I said, this has had a full restore by a member of one of the audio forums, Audio Karma, and he had the unit for about 2 months for the restore. And yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to play some music just using the extra input out of my Mac Pro. It's a digital source. It's going through my USB DAC. I'm gonna play them through my Rogers LS6A speakers. These are on eBay as well. They're a little bit lower sensitivity, but they actually sound very well with this unit. So let me go ahead and play some music here, and hopefully this doesn't get taken down by YouTube this time. So I'm gonna try some copyright or royalty-free music. I'll give you some idea though, just that everything does in fact work. Okay, I'll let this warm up just a little bit longer, been about 15 minutes. Give it another 5 minutes or so, and I'll go ahead and do the video. Another thing I wanted to demonstrate real quickly, we'll just swap it over to FM. I just want to show everyone the tuning eye, and this is for FM. So I'm going to keep the volume down because I'm not exactly sure what's going to come on, but if we go over to our FM selector, you can see, and you maybe hear a little bit coming in, but it does work properly when it senses the station. I have two local stations here that it does pull. If we go over to AM, it does work. I really have no AM stations in this area that it will pull in, so I don't really use AM, but they both do work perfectly fine, and they do pull. So let me go back to extra and let this warm up just a little bit longer before we play. Be back in a minute. Okay, I'm back in my seating position right now. The zoom is quite zoomed in on the iPad for some reason compared to my Android phone. I'm going to reach over here and just click the play button. Again, this is just a royalty-free music coming out of Tidal. It is going through my Mac Pro to the USB DAC. You can see over there, black little box, and then directly into the ska, into the Rogers. So let me play this song. It's about 4 minutes, and it'll give you some idea of how it sounds. Here we go.